Students, today we will continue the chapter digestion and absorption. You know, digestion takes place by the digestive system, and digestion is consists of two parts: alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal is a tube-like structure which start from the mouth and end up to the anus. And in the mouth there are the sub parts. First of all is vestibule. Vestibule is the area between the teeth and cheeks, or we can say teeth and between the lips. And second is buccal cavity. Buccal cavity or oral cavity is the part which have the boundary line of the teeth, and tongue is the main organ that lying in between the buccal cavity. So today we will discuss the topic tongue. Tongue is a organ which is responsible for chewing of the food, as well as swallowing of the food, as well as cleaning of teeth. And you know, tongue is the organ of taste, because various taste buds are present over the tongue, and these are responsible for determining the food taste. And taste buds are present in an area, that is a sensory area. We say it papillae. There are three types of the functional papillae on human tongue. First are the valate papillae. Second one are the filiform papillae. Third are fungiform papillae. According to size, largest papillae are the valate, and valate papillae are 8 to 12 in number. And in case of the valate papillae, one valate papillae contain about 100 taste buds. Then fungiform papillae is there. Fungiform papillae have about 5 taste buds. Third ones are the filiform papillae. Filiform papillae are the smallest out of these three, and they have no taste bud but have the organ for the touch, sensory organ for touch. Overall, first of all, tongue is attached with a bone that is known as hyoid bone, and the structure which connect the hyoid bone with tongue are known as lingual frenulum. Lingual frenulum are the structure which connecting the tongue with the hyoid bone, and tongue have the two sides. One is there toward the pharynx, so it is known as pharyngeal part, and this is the part free toward the oral cavity. That's why we say it, this part is known as oral part of the tongue. Tongue have a demarcation, or we can say a dividing furrow is there about that, that is about to be V shape, and it is by the sulcus terminalis. This is the dividing area known as sulcus terminalis. And the back part of the tongue contain some tonsils. These are known as lingual tonsils. Lingual tonsils. And lingual tonsils are the structure for phagocytic action. Then there are the area of the taste. This area is the area for sweet. This is the area for salt. This is the area for sour. And this area is the area for bitterness. So mainly 4 type of taste buds is there, and these are taste buds for sweet, salt, sour and bitterness. Again we will discuss the topic about the papillae. Means papillae are basically functional papillae are 3 types. Largest papillae are the valate papillae. Second are the fungiform papillae, and third ones are the filiform papillae. Filiform papillae are the smallest in number and more in smallest and have no taste bud. But fungiform contain about 5 taste bud, and the valate papillae contain about 100 taste bud. There is a demarc area here also, a depression area. That depression area is known as foramen cecum. Foramen cecum is the depression area over here, and this area is a just we can say remnant part of a foramen at the time of embryonic development. That is a depression like structure only. And foliate papillae are the papillae which are rudimentary in the case of the human, because they have no taste bud. These taste buds become degenerate in early stage. So functional papillae are only 3. So tongue is a organ that is responsible for chewing of the food, as well as swallowing of the food, cleaning of teeth, and the organ of the taste. And muscular part of this one is attached by the lingual frenulum with the bone of the hyoid. So it is about the tongue. So that's it about the tongue.